Srilatha is a senior technical product manager for GE Corporate. She is involved in their Asia Pacific American Affinity Group, APAF for short, has been with GE for roughly 10 years, almost as long as their Detroit site had been open, and has some great experience to share about the evolution of GE's focus on developing innovative technology. Srilatha, thank you for joining us today and for your support of Together Digital. I'd like to turn the webinar over to you to share some thoughts with our group.
Thank you so much, Monica. I'm very happy for the opportunity presented to me, and to be working with GE. How many of us have a manager who would just really come into a meeting and let all his employees know? Just thank them for giving an opportunity during this COVID lockdown to just come into your homes and keep it as their privilege to allow them to come into your home and utilize your time with your home and work personal sessions, right? So my manager, for my manager in my meeting, it was the exact same words. He was so humble and actually thanked us for working from home during the COVID and allowing GE to kind of have a space in home, right? So that is the kind of experience I've been having in GE, where the manager is so supportive of you in every way. And since March, since we had this lockdown, everyone has been facing a similar situation economically, or every company has been having to make very painful business decisions, as everyone knows, right? So few of the things that I really like what GE took steps about the situation was really taking care of the employees. Like we were having managers more than supportive of the situation of what every employee was facing. And actually, just within 7 weeks, our corporate system, Global Ops Functions, had developed a tool to have a grant process for the employees who are facing hardships. It was released within 7 weeks of effort from a very small team, and it has a huge impact for GE employees working all over the world. Going back to even pre-COVID period, or even now, we have a lot of opportunities within GE. We have technical trainings, hackathons, personal development, leadership development trainings. I've been very fortunate to be part of so many of those, like Azure, or even I was a part of the GE leadership Crotonville training that they offer, which is like world-class training in every aspect. So I think I'm very fortunate to be representing GE as a sponsor for this event. Thank you for the opportunity.